What's up, guys? It's me, Supernova0726 here, and I am here with Stilts from Spirit Halloween 2023. Yeah, I got this guy 2 years ago for my birthday, and I'm so excited to open this thing up. I mean, I already have him, like 2023, so I already know what it's like, so yeah, let's just get started. So first thing is right here is the mechanism. Now let's get to the opening box. What we have here, alright, so here are his hands, as you can see here, totally normal hands. Okay, yeah, look, apparently it broke off, because I unboxed him, like, in my room, so I don't know how it happened, it fell and it just snapped, so that's okay though, he'll just be a one-arm Stilts. Inside of that, we have his adapter, right here, shoes. We have his really long pants. Ah! It's okay though. We got a shirt here. Here's his hip loop, which I'm surprised is pretty tiny for such a big guy. His leg poles with the foam on it. His other shoe. We have his other hand. I'm not gonna break this one. And we have his base, his extremely large base. I'm gonna place that down. I'm gonna move the box. We have his beautiful, giant looking head. It is really big. And yeah, it's big. It's a big head. Alright, there's still more in here. Alright, so we have his spine piece and the last two leg pulls. Alright, from the side of that, yeah, my cat went in the box. Alright, now let's start building. I'm gonna set these two leg poles. Snap lock into place. Oh yeah, well you guys can't see that. Yeah, so lay the base down, snap that pole in, and snap this other pole in here. There you go. Now, we're gonna put the shoes on. Oh wait, I can move the box now. Alright, now we're gonna attach these leg poles. Now we're gonna put this on other leg. There we go. Now, time to put his pants on. This guy's already getting pretty tall. Alright, there we go. Time to put his mechanism on. Or before we put the mechanism on, just like the young Crouchy, slide it in here. Make sure it's the right way though. Alright, there you go. It's just like yeah, this guy, it's already getting huge. It's already getting really huge. Alright. Now we're gonna put a shirt on. I I'm gonna need a ladder for this one. Time for the ladder. Holy crap. All right. There you go. Now we gotta attach a spine piece on. There you go. There you go. It's already coming together. Now, we're gonna put this on his arms. Oh wait, this goes together. Hold on. At least it's up there. Alright. So many pieces, so little touch to put on his broken hand. Yeah, this hand was originally supposed to be on there. Now we're gonna put his arm. Hold on, I want to do something to his arm. Alright. Finally, got the arm on. Took me a while. But anyways, time for his beautiful looking head. Okay, I'm about to back him up a bit because he's touching my garage ceiling. He's touching my garage ceiling. Alright. Yeah, he's fine though. Alright. Now let's put the head on. Alright. Finally in. Got her in now. And the final thing to do for this guy is the adapter. Well, I'm gonna have to be given a split second because I have to connect the wires. I also have to untangle this. So. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Stilts is done. Now we're gonna plug him in. Alright, he's going through a reset. His hand's detached. It was broken, so I'm going to fix that later. Let's do this. Okay, hold on. Okay, I was adjusting its volume. Here we go. Alright, what are my final thoughts about Stilts? What do I think about him? Well, yeah, he's awesome. He's the one that changed it all with like the big towering props. Like ever since 2023, like besides 7-footers or 7.5-footers, we get an 8-footer clown. We get an 8-foot clown. But since they have Giant Death Ray this year, who stands at 10 feet, which I'm surprised they would put him in the stores, it's really awesome. And I love that. I love like that 360. He's got like that Miss Mercy move, like except for like bowling pins and like like the arm movement going up and down whenever he moves. That's what I like about him. And he was my favorite clown in 2023. And yeah, he's awesome. This is Super Noodle 0726 and Stilts signing off. Make sure to subscribe, like the channel, scare the like button, and share this to your friends to see this big medicine clown. He is on Spirit's website still, so better get him now before he sells out. All right, peace out.